This is all your outside water. So you can see everything has been identified. Here's a garage hose bib. Here's a rear deck hose bib, side of the house hose bib, and 2 laundry sinks. The valves, sort of universally, if they are parallel with the pipe, they are open. If they are perpendicular to the pipe, then they are closed. These are all open as everything has been de-winterized as we're getting into warmer weather. Then you have a main valve over here that handles the water coming in from the street. What we have done is put in 2 valves, one down here, which is a quarter turn valve. Right now all the water's cut off to the house. That's back on. And then we have another valve up here. You see it says main number 2. The idea here is if you went away, you can see this valve is above your outside hose bibs. So if you wanted to shut all the water off inside the house but leave the outside water on, let's say you're going on vacation, somebody's watering your plants, all you need to do is turn this valve off right here. You see how now it's perpendicular to the pipe, so it's closed, but all these, the water is still making its way to here. The house is shut off, so if you had a dishwasher leak or something unusual like that occur while you were gone, there's no water pressure inside the house, but you still have outside pressure.